Okay. In this breaking middle term, I will give you more examples in our another section, so you can do practice from there. Now I want to start another fourth method. For it is use a square plus b square form. Now, first formula, it is a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or a square plus b square is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So we have these two formula. You can use either this one or this one at your choice, but which method is fit this question, then you can select that. So if you have example number 1, suppose if there x power 4 plus 4. Now there are two terms. We have first method, take common. Can you take common? No. Use formula. For formula, we must have a square minus b square, a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. This is not. Number third, breaking middle term. For breaking middle term, you must have 3 terms, but here is only 2 terms. And last one is use a square plus b square form. Now, if this is your in this form, now check this one. First is property square, second also property square. In between plus sign, in between plus sign. So we have in this form. Now we can use like this. Okay, it is x square whole square plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of a square plus b square. Now our form is a plus b whole square minus 2a. A is x square, b is 2. It is x square plus 2 whole square minus 2 into 2 is 4x square. Okay. Now, if you use this formula, then at last you should, in the form of this one, use formula a square minus b square. So we have a square minus b square. If you use this formula, you must got in the form of this one, otherwise it is wrong. So this is the connection between these two methods. This method you can convert into this second method. Don't forget. So now check this one, x square plus 2 whole square minus it is 2x whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it is x square plus 2a minus b is 2x, and x square plus 2a plus b, it is 2x. Now you can arrange them. It is x square minus 2x plus 2 and x square plus 2x plus 2. So this is your factorization. So this is in the form of this one. Okay. After this, I want to give another example. Example number 2. Example number 2 is x power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now, take common. Impossible. Use formula. Impossible. Breaking middle term. If you take first and last one, 1 into 1, then 1 is there. 1 into 1 is equal to 1, but in option of product of this one, 1 plus 1 is 2, so it is also impossible. So these first, second, third, these methods are impossible for this question. Now we must have this formula. But in the case of these 3 terms, so you can choose 2 terms, any 2 terms as a square plus b square. So how can you choose this one? So don't forget, in x power 4, the highest power is 4. Here next power is 2. Here x power 0. Don't forget, x power 0 is 1. So the power of this term is 0. So the order of this one is 4. This is 2. This is 0. So take highest and lowest power. These two are highest and lowest power as a square plus b square. Take highest and lowest as a square plus b square. So you should make a group x power 4 plus 1 plus x square. Now these two are in the form of a square plus b square. It is x square whole square plus 1 whole square, a square plus b square. This exactly same. After this, a square plus b square formula is this one. Now it is x square plus 1 whole square minus 2. A is x square, b is 1 plus x square. Now it is x square plus 1 whole square minus 2 x square plus x square. X square plus 1 whole square is same, minus 2x square plus x square is x square. And I told you, you must convert this at last into second method. Now again you got a square minus b square. So it is x square plus 1 whole square minus x whole square. Now a square minus b square. So your formula is x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 plus x. Now arrange them. It is x square minus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1. Now it is your factorization of this equation. So to make a group of a square plus b square, don't forget, take highest and lowest. So you can do like this. I want to give you one example. Suppose if there is n power 4 by n power 4 plus n square by n square plus n power 4 by n power m power 4. For this question, which one is the highest and which one is the lowest? Now take only one variable. Now this is m, another m is here, another m is here. So here is the degree of m is 4. Here the degree of m is 2. Here degree of m is, if you write on this up, it will be minus 4. So highest is this 4, lowest is this minus 4. So take the group of these and these as a square plus b square. So like this way you can find out in the form of a square plus b square. And another thing, in which case you can use this formula. Now if you are doing your problem, then you must got in the form of this a square minus b square. You must got in the form of a square minus b square. If you not got this form, then in some question, then if you use this formula, then you will get in the form of this one. So it is slightly confusion, but don't be confusion. So you can add or subtract these two terms, then you will get in the negative sign your result or not. You can check. Your result must be in the negative sign, then you can convert only a square minus b square form. So these are simple concept of your factorization. And don't forget, you take common, use formula, bring middle term, use this a square plus b square, then you can do factorization. Okay.